Welcome back. In this video we will learn about interfaces in Go. Interface groups types together based on the methods. They are defining a contract for a certain methods. Interfaces are crucial for several reasons. They allows us to write functions that can take in different types, as long as those types satisfy the interface. This makes our function much more flexible. They also make it easier to test our code by mocking interfaces. Let's write an example. We are defining dog and cat structs, each with a name field. We also are creating an interface named animal, which is declaring a single method speak. Both structs implicitly implement an animal interface by defining a speak method with the same signature as the interface. Let's implement also the speak method for both dog and cat structs. When called on a dog object speak method, it prints the dog's name followed by the says woof. When called on a cat object, it prints the cat's name followed by the say mew. This interface is used to define a contract for types that can speak. A function speak animal is defined, which takes an animal interface as a parameter. Inside this function, the speak method of the provided animal interface is called. Creating the main function, dog and cat object. Dog object name can be body and cat object name can be whiskers. And call speak animal function twice, once for a dog object and once for a cat object. Since both dog and cat types implement the animal interface, they can be proceed as an argument to speak animal. After when speak animal is called, with each object it invokes the appropriate speak method based on the object type, printing the corresponding sound each animal makes along with its name. Thanks for the watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel.